Yo. What is good, family? How y'all doing today, man? Had a great day today. A new fragrance came in. We're ready to get stuff started. Welcome back, y'all. It's Atticus Aroma. We back with another video today. And today we have another Luxe scent. What we having today? I don't even know what this is. I don't know what this is, guys. I mean, it's just been raining Luxe boxes here recently. I don't know what's going on. We already went over this. Checking the other videos. All right. Now we got another Luxe scent to go over here. While this happened, well, as a matter of fact, before I even look up the notes, let's see what the box looks like. Let's see what we got. I'm just gonna open this up really quick. You feel me? I ain't even gonna waste no more time on it. I already know what y'all came here for. Y'all came here to see what this smell like, or at least what I think what it smell like, you know? Anyways. Ooh, this is a nice one. Look at that. This is a nice one. We gonna pop this up on a big screen and see what it looks like close up. All right, guys, while we have this up on the big screen, let's see what we're looking at here. So it looks like we got a nice presentation yet again with Maison Alhambra. This is a very nice box that they got going on here. This indigo color, I'm loving the indigo color. You already know my favorite blue color. Let's see what this box looks like on the inside. I like the little colorful nightlife theme they got going around here. Of course, it's Luxe Nightlife. That is what is the name of this. The back looks like all the rest of the back of the Luxe editions. Let's see what this looks like on the inside. Oh, man. Guys, y'all know how I feel about the blue already. And this blue did not disappoint. This is a really nice blue. I don't know which blue I like better. I don't know if I like the Luxe Journey blue or the Luxe Nightlife blue. Y'all let me know which one y'all like if your favorite color is blue. I don't even know if your favorite color is blue. Mine is though. We're gonna take the spotlight off of Journey and put it back on Nightlife. I haven't even put my nose on this yet, guys. I waited for y'all. Let's see what the nose, actually, you know what? Let's just smell it first. You already know how we do. Let's smell this really quick. See what it's like on paper before we do it on skin. Hopefully this ain't like Journey. I didn't really feel that Journey too much, guys. I don't know how I feel about that Journey. However, this Nightlife, let's see what this brings to the table. Let's see if this is all right. Paper, here we go. Ooh, why do I first get bananas?
Grandpa, this banana's fantastic. It tastes so real.
Maybe that's just what... that's very nice. Is this bananas? What is this? This is some type of tropical... No? That's guava? Bananas? It's bananas or something. I don't know what this is, but... I like the woods. Ooh, I like this, guys. This one's actually pretty nice here. Let's see what we got on skin. Let's see what that's like on skin. Ooh, that is very nightlife-like. Okay, let's see what we got on skin here. This kind of reminds me of Amber Oud Blue a little bit, just not as strong. Like if this was a more playful Amber Oud Blue, and I think Amber Oud Blue is a clone of Parfums de Marly Layton, I believe. And that's what this is given. It's given, you know, kind of like a lighter version of Layton vibes, but then it's got a tropical twist to it. I don't even know how to... Here, let's just look up the notes for this. Let's just look up the notes and see what we got. Wow, they don't even have these on Fragrantica yet. But, so, Luxe Nightlife. For the top notes, you got gardenia, carnation, and jasmine. Middle notes, you have patchouli, flowers, and sandalwood and C notes. Base notes, you have caramel and coffee. I was way off. Where'd I get bananas from? There's no bananas in there. Why was I getting bananas? But hey man, you win some, you lose some, you know? I wonder if they have the notes on the back here. Gardenia, carnation, and jasmine. I don't know how. Let's see here. This is really nice though. I like it. I like it. I'm digging this. I'll definitely wear this. I'll wear this one. Yeah. Those are the notes. And it's a unisex. This one is a winner, guys. So I definitely would give this a try if I were you. I got this off of Amazon for $35, and I mean, it was a steal. I'm gonna see if this lasts, because I know with Luxe Street didn't last as much, but it was still good though. I love the way that smelled. Luxe Journey, not so much. This Luxe Nightlife, however, we're gonna see how long this lasts, because I like how it's definitely, now that I look at the notes, I definitely smell the floral. I smell the floral in there. I like how that jasmine is mixing with that gardenia. That's what I smelled in the opening, which made me think bananas for whatever reason. And whenever you get down to the heart notes with the floral accords and the patchouli, and the sandalwood and the C notes, that's sandalwood and C note mix. I like sandalwood. I do. Sandalwood is a nice, manly scent. I love how sandalwood smells. It's actually drying down quite nicely, if I do say so myself. I am really interested to see what this dries down to. Those caramel and coffee notes at the end, I want to see what that smells like. But in the outside air, I don't know. I got to get my jargon down here. But okay, so whenever you smell it close up, it's nice. It has that gardenia smell going on with the jasmine. But then whenever you're smelling the, like, not as close to the skin, whenever you're like this far away from it, it's a different kind of smell. It's a lighter version of itself that's kind of misting to my nose right now. That's a very nice scent, guys. I highly suggest to pick this up. Pick up Luxe Nightlife. This would definitely be a banger on my list. I am praying to God that this lasts. I'm hoping that this lasts. It says the parfum. Let's see if it lasts. I'll let y'all know. However, the next time, guys, like and subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know which one you guys have, if y'all have any, or if y'all plan on getting any. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.